Kenyans should qualify to run to be members of county assembly and members of parliament. Mr. Speaker,
or a member of parliament or MCA is to represent. Again, Mr. Speaker, you don't need a PhD to be a good representative.
I don't want to mention people's names, but I don't know many in this chamber who do not have a university degree. I don't know them. But I know a number of them in the National Assembly. And I know them to be very qualified leaders.
Mwanchu muligiriria bono hayunga tiyari atawatoko kualigana na mange twakobege tenyirobone kyombekeri kyabokali ya emere monse ya kotu Francis Yatuli na kuwa na edapu kyombege ya Democratic Party na mange kialigana nti ayo mona enda mange chikoraga isatoni nchiko kumanya boy gobuno mwe musiyo yomo abeteka kumulikyo murugia yemere mwe awe serikali tamanye tina gwakano shiringi wetani chiri buchimi isano kuri mwaka bwe chiri bubere na 15 sto ikabona aberega kuri mushahara hatari kirine serikali ayo ninkomanyekero cyara gerisa to ciyabono botokwali mwenzi twagwatera na SMS ya mangana mayanko bakerambiye mono nayo muligereria asoko cyara ko yatengera ku Ndizi TV obwansu bwo mugusito bwategwetera nsemo ye mtandao nsemo ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na bagensemeli ya YouTube na bakotonyora buna Ndizi TV News tumera nisato ayo mono yanda mange resirane nkoroko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nagokurentera chibiche chinkia nabwigo chinkeno nukukigima nabwogotonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chitoeta